What if Google's latest Gemini AI model is the key to revolutionizing robotics as we know it? Google, 2024, showcased multimodal capabilities in the Gemini 1.5 AI model. This means that the large language model can take photos, videos, and audio along with text as inputs, process that information, and generate responses. The company's AI unit is leveraging this capability to train robots to navigate their surroundings. Google DeepMind recently published a research paper and a bunch of clips detailing how a robot can be trained and can understand multimodal instructions, including natural language and image, and perform useful navigation. In this video, you will see how Gemini AI is pushing the boundaries of robotics, from improving machine learning efficiency to enabling more intuitive human-robot interactions. You can see how this innovation could redefine the future of robotics and what it means for industries and daily life alike. The emergence of Google's Gemini AI model. Google's Gemini AI model is the latest in a series of advanced machine learning architectures designed to enhance artificial intelligence's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data. Gemini builds on the legacy of its predecessor, Google's language model for dialogue applications, LaMDA, and integrates several state-of-the-art technologies to advance natural language understanding and robotics capabilities. Google's Gemini 1.5 AI model represents a major advancement in artificial intelligence, building upon its predecessor LaMDA language model for dialogue applications. Unlike earlier models, Gemini 1.5 introduces cutting-edge multimodal capabilities, allowing it to process and analyze data from various sources such as text, images, sensory input, and more. Released in 2024, Gemini 1.5 is set to revolutionize industries by improving automation, robotics, and decision-making systems across multiple domains. How Google used the Gemini 1.5 AI model to teach a robot. Google stated in a post on X, previously Twitter, that Gemini's 1.5 Pro's 1 million token context length helps the business train robots for navigation, since many AI models find it difficult to recall environments when context lengths are constrained. Robots may successfully navigate a space by using human instructions, video tours, and common-sense reasoning, it stated. While showing the robots around particular locations in a real-world environment, the trainers pointed out important locations to remember. They were then instructed to guide us to these places. For instance, a robot can be trained to serve as a guide in an office environment. It may be configured to find the position of the play area, canteen, chairman's office, and other areas of the business. The robot will comply when visitors ask it to take me to the chairman's office while they are meeting with an official of the firm. In a similar vein, new hires may ask the robot to show them the way to the canteen, and it will lead the worker there. After receiving these inputs, the architecture of the system constructs a topological graph, which is a condensed representation of a space. In order to locate a way without a map, this is built from frames inside tour recordings that capture the overall connection of their surroundings, according to Google DeepMind. Google reports that the organization assessed the results in a setting that resembled a house and an office and attained 86% and 90% success rates, respectively. The business also stated that in the future, consumers will only need to film a tour of their surroundings using a smartphone for their personal robot helper to comprehend and navigate. The impact of Google Gemini 1.5 AI model. Gemini 1.5's multimodal architecture allows it to process and integrate diverse data formats such as images, text, videos, and even sensory feedback, like temperature and pressure. This allows robots powered by Gemini 1.5 to understand complex tasks that involve multiple types of input simultaneously. Assembling complex machinery. Consider an assembly robot in an automotive factory using Gemini 1.5. Instead of just following pre-programmed instructions, the robot can use visual data from cameras, read text from manuals, and adapt its grip on parts using tactile feedback sensors. This multimodal learning reduces errors and boosts efficiency. Robots in manufacturing settings can now handle more intricate assembly tasks, speeding up production lines and improving quality control. Continuous improvement in robot training. Gemini 1.5 leverages reinforcement learning, which allows it to improve through trial and error, much like humans. This is especially useful in environments where tasks can vary. Warehouse automation. In a modern warehouse, robots equipped with Gemini 1.5 can continuously optimize their sorting processes. For instance, a robot responsible for sorting packages by weight, size, and destination can learn new methods over time, improving sorting speed and accuracy. Through reinforcement learning, these robots can adapt to new types of packaging or distribution requirements, reducing the need for human oversight and minimizing errors. Real-time human-robot collaboration. Transforming workplaces. Gemini 1.5 integrates advanced natural language processing (NLP), allowing robots to understand and respond to human commands in real time. This technology enables more natural and seamless collaboration between humans and robots. Healthcare assistance. In a hospital setting, a robot powered by Gemini 1.5 could assist nurses by receiving verbal instructions. For example, a nurse could verbally instruct the robot to deliver medications to a specific patient room. Using natural language processing, the robot interprets the command and performs the task without requiring manual programming. This reduces workload for medical staff and enables robots to handle more complex patient-specific tasks. Applications across multiple industries. 1. Manufacturing and automation. Manufacturing has long been at the forefront of AI integration, and Gemini 1.5 takes it a step further by enhancing automation with smarter, more adaptable robots. On automotive production lines, robots powered by Gemini 1.5 can assemble parts with greater precision. For instance, when installing intricate wiring or electronics, the AI adjusts its actions based on real-time feedback from both visual sensors and physical input, significantly reducing production errors. 2. Logistics and supply chain management. In logistics, flexibility and efficiency are critical. Gemini 1.5 enables robots to quickly adapt to varying packaging, shipment volumes, and seasonal demands. A Gemini 1.5 powered robot working in an e-commerce fulfillment center can adjust its sorting strategy based on real-time order data. It can recognize patterns in consumer behavior, forecast peak periods, and optimize warehouse operations accordingly. This adaptability reduces delivery delays and boosts the overall efficiency of the supply chain. 3. Healthcare and medical assistance. The healthcare industry is witnessing a significant transformation with Gemini 1.5. Robots equipped with this AI can now handle more than just repetitive tasks. They can assist in real-time medical decision-making. A robot could assist in a surgery by providing real-time analysis of patient data. It could interpret medical images and suggest adjustments to the surgical team during the procedure, thereby improving outcomes. Moreover, in elderly care, Gemini 1.5 powered robots could monitor vital signs and detect patterns in a patient's health data, alerting doctors to potential health risks before they become critical. 4. Retail and customer service. In the retail sector, robots are being deployed to manage inventory, assist customers, and improve operational efficiency. With Gemini 1.5, these robots can perform more personalized and complex tasks. Imagine a robot in a grocery store that not only helps customers find products but also provides suggestions based on their purchase history or dietary preferences. By analyzing past purchases and leveraging customer data, the robot offers personalized recommendations, enhancing the shopping experience and boosting customer satisfaction. Gemini 1.5's impact on the future of AI. Google's Gemini 1.5 AI model is a game changer for industries looking to improve efficiency, flexibility, and collaboration. Whether in healthcare, logistics, or manufacturing, the practical applications of Gemini 1.5 showcase its ability to process diverse data types, learn from experience, and improve real-time interactions between humans and machines. As AI technology continues to evolve, Gemini 1.5 is paving the way for more advanced and autonomous systems that will reshape industries globally.